Hi, it's Tom here, the author of the book of Explorational Journeys, Part 1 and Self-Help Guide. We are continuing with Chapter 1, which is Courage is about letting go of fear, and we're starting with Activity 5, which is Fear Visualization. Goal: release fear through guided imagery. Steps: close your eyes and picture the fear you want to let go of in a physical form, an object. Step 2. Visualize yourself placing this object in a box and locking it shut. Step 3. Imagine yourself letting the box drift away, feeling lighter and freer as it disappears. Reflection: how does visualizing the release of fear impact your emotional state? So don't forget to click the like and subscribe and wait for the next upcoming video. Bye.